Alright, so we just ordered this VIVOSUN 2.7 by 2.7 by 63 inches tall. This is their smart grow setup, and it comes with a lot of great features that get you going. We do competition peppers, so this is going to be great growing indoors. First cool thing is it has this viewing window here, so you don't have to open it just to check on your plant. Close that up. Gives you a nice little opening here for all the wires that come out to your smart grow system, and this thing integrates with an app. Gives you all the features you need to control your lighting, your fans, your blowers. Very comprehensive system, and the fact that you can use this with the app is awesome. It integrates with all of VIVOSUN's different product line, and they have smart plugs available, so if you have other things that you want to add to the system, you certainly can with this. But this is a very cool little system here, and it's just a magnet that sticks it on. And again, it tucks all the wires, goes through this little slot here, goes into the unit itself. Very heavy duty zippers. The outside of this thing is just very solidly built. Just the quality of these zippers alone is amazing. The inside is all reflective lines, so you're going to get maximum light bouncing around in here. Very easy to put together tube structure, and it supports all the weight, so you hang all of your equipment here. This is what came with the unit. You have the 150 watt Luma light that comes with the unit. Again, this is controlled by this power system. The really nice thing is you have the adjustable system here, so you can just adjust your light up and down depending on your grow phase. You have your exhaust filter here. This has a carbon filter, so any odors you have are going to be filtered out, and then this unit ducts right outside. Again, all this came with the unit. It's got vent ports here, so if you want to put an inline vent to blow air into this, or it's just going to suck natural air in. It also came with a nice liner pan here, so if you do make a mess in here, it's going to catch it. That's awesome. This is a really great starting point for a grow setup, and it's going to work out perfectly here in our shop.